That did not happen here.
Mr. Walgan, at a convenient time, let us know for purposes of the adjournment.
Did Conrad Murray continuously and repeatedly violate these fundamental tenets of the doctor-patient relationship?
Yes. Every night, these tenets were violated.
Thank you, Your Honor. That was a good time.
Walgan, thank you. May I see counsel, please? Ladies and gentlemen, at this time we will be taking the evening recess and adjournment. And I know it's been 6 days since I provided you with this formal admonition, and you haven't forgotten it, nor will you ever forget it. But please bear in mind and follow unhesitatingly this admonishment. Do not discuss this case among yourselves or with anyone else, or form or express any opinions about the case until it's submitted finally to you. Do not visit any scene or location that may have been referenced, mentioned, or involved in this case. Don't perform any experiments or conduct on your own or through another person any independent research or investigation on any topics, subjects, or persons mentioned or involved in this case. Do not come into contact with any television or radio programs, newspaper or magazine articles, books, or the Internet regarding any of these topics, subjects, or persons. Do not access on your own or through another person any research materials, including but not limited to any Internet website, including but not limited to any search engine sites such as Google, Ask, or Bing, or social network sites, including but not limited to MySpace or Facebook, or text or tweet, or access any messages, or post or access any blogs regarding any topics, subjects, or persons mentioned or involved in the case. Please have no contact or communication with the defendant, the attorneys, the witnesses, or spectators. If anyone approaches you or tries to contact you with regard to this case, or tries to provide you with access information so that at a later point in time you can contact a person or an organization regarding anything about this case, don't go there, and immediately notify the court staff. I think that about does it. Do all of you understand, and as you always have been, promise to follow these admonishments? All indicating the affirmative. Have a good evening. We're going to ask that you join us tomorrow so that all of us will be ready to begin tomorrow at 8:45 and not at 10 o'clock. Again, I apologize for the delays, and I see you're smiling. I hope you keep smiling. Please go to the jury room for just a moment, and we'll make sure that we can expedite your departure here, and we'll be ready for you at 8:45 tomorrow. And again, thanks for your patience. Good evening.